this is Priyanka here. Welcome to Simply Biology. Today's topic is another disorder, that is sickle cell anemia. You have heard about sickle cell anemia? Let's study about what it is. What is sickle cell anemia? The red blood cells are sickle shaped. This is the shape of a sickle. Normally the red blood cells are round and biconcave. But during this disorder, those red blood cells forms the sickle shape. The cell die early, leaving a shortage of healthy red blood cells and can block the blood flow, causing the pain called as sickle cell crisis. Let's see a picture over here how the red blood cells are converted to sickle shaped, how the sickle shaped cells block the blood flow. The reason behind the sickle shape is the abnormal hemoglobin, the protein found in the RBCs. Let's see how the sickle cell anemia or the sickle cell these are the red blood cells which are biconcaved. Both the sides it is concave. But during the sickle cell anemia, the sickle shaped cells prominently block the flow of blood. They starts accumulating in the blood, which prevents the healthy red blood cells to flow. They don't flow. In this way, these cells die. The healthy red blood cells starts dying. These cells increases. The sickle shaped cells gets increases in the blood vessel. It starts blocking the vessels. This is called as sickle cell crisis. This leads to the pain in the body, fatigue, etc. Let's see, how do you get sickle cell anemia? Two genes. Normally genes come from our parents. The sickle hemoglobin. Hemoglobin means what? Blood. Must be inherited from one's parents in order to have a disease. A person who receives a gene from sickle cell disease, the person who receives the sickle cell from the parent, normally called as a sickle cell trait. This condition of trait passing from parents to their offsprings leads to the sickle cell anemia. The condition is called as sickle cell anemia. Normally it is inherited. Here are the signs and the symptoms that are associated with the sickle cell anemia patient. First one is the fatigue. Here you can see the picture. Fatigue. You become restless. Renal disease. Related to artery and veins, you get the disease. Arthritis. Pain in joint, bones are called as arthritis. Organ damage. Sickle cell anemia leads to some organ damage. Cold hands, your hands, feet or feet. Hands, feet get cold. Regular headache. Irregular heartbeats. Heartbeats sometimes get high and sometimes get very low. Yellowish of skin. These are some of the signs and symptoms that are found mostly in the sickle cell anemia patient. Here you can see a picture showing different signs and symptoms associated with the sickle cell anemia patient. The intake of iron-rich food may increase the amount of hemoglobin in the blood. In the past, people with sickle cell disease often died between the ages 20 and 40. With treatment, people now live up to the age 50 or beyond. A bone marrow transplant can potentially cure children with sickle cell with a success rate of about 85%. Currently, 33,000 babies are born annually in Uganda with the disease. 80% die before attaining the age of 5. World Sickle Day is celebrated on 19th of June every year. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel Simply Biology. The previous classes are mentioned in the description box. Please do check it out.